Hey, how that bitch sound? Whoa.
Multiply in this bitch. That a nigga get slick, don't try in this bitch. I was in my range, posted with the demons. She was trying to eat me. Can't feed that whole nothing but the semen. Diamonds, shining nigga. I know they peeping. Hoes, say they love you, but at least you sneaky. Wealthy.
Bro, we on his land though, bro.
Yeah? I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I'm talking about.
Let me run that.
Y'all don't know what I'm talking about.
Man, let me run that.
Just get a few in type shit. You don't OD.
Nah, you gotta go further.
Hold on down, Tyler.
Man, y'all ass finna goddamn bust a big heels out there, bitch. God damn.
All I gotta hit one time, that's it. All I gotta do is hit one time.
If I join your shit, I ain't hitting on shit.
Well, you know I'm fucked up.
Yeah. That shit ain't hitting on nothing.
Oh,
What's up?
oh my God.
I got a key. Y'all here finna be fucked up. Damn, bro. That bitch.
Hey, if they take it out safe, thing.
Wait, god damn, Zach, I thought that was capping.
That bitch locked.
It must right there though. That bitch right there like.
Oh shit.
That bitch sound like. God damn.
Shit. You hear that bitch coming through your shit? Let me knock
On my mom.
I'm finna hit this Glock, though.
I ain't gonna be steady, man. Don't be steady like going up for.
That's why you can't take nigga nowhere.
Everybody shoot.
God damn. This bit like the 4th of July. This bit.
The police just got hell of my son. I had to feel like a month down there, but
Your shit ass. Yo ain't ass.
You said that bitch ass. You wanna see?
I run in front of that bitch while you shoot.
My car?
Yeah.
Hey, let me hear my camera say.
And now, hell no.
That bitch here gonna be sitting on top of that bitch. I'm gonna come out that bitch, only thing on here. Hoo. Goddamn Al Benny outside, nigga. The band.
What class?
On God, when you
God, classic. That bitch say he paid $300 for his scope. Nigga, my gun was $4.
Man, it's an XD that got like that goddamn XD ad. It just that big goddamn. It ain't ad, but like at on Howard they had one. Self on fire. I'm like, bro, I'm finna buy that bitch and sell the scope off that bitch.
I got an FPC.
They got the Drake.
All that shit right now. Gonna get to me. Gonna get to me.
All that shit.
you said what?
Shit.
I ain't gonna do it to
You
him.
hear that bitch?
I'm getting his 5 back.
You hear that bitch all the way from where?
Bro, we down here having fun, right? We in Jones County, y'all folk. Get with it. Ching. That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying, man?
That beer can would came up.
Sit him on the table. Sit him right on the truck. Hey, they want to run everybody being. So everybody pull their license out and all that shit.
That bitch had license.
Let it would have been on my mom, they would have. Everybody ID. We need everybody ID. Open that trunk, open all the doors. Big kind of got
oh, this a Charger. Let me see the VIN. Let me see the goddamn motor print on God. Well, they got some shit that they can see if your car stolen now, fam.
I was just finna say they gonna hook them bitches up to your shit.
I can't wait till the police stop me and try to racial profile me.
Hey, you said Tyler the ass. Nah, hell no, send that bitch.
Y'all just say y'all location, cause I don't know that address.
Zach.
Yeah, I don't know it either.
Zach. That's my little shot this fuck, man. Come on, man.
Look at my shit.
Hey, that bitch Zach.
I feel like he did that cause my little chop the hair.
Hey, too good, man.
Hey, that bitch Zach.
Bow chilling with Zach.
Yeah, but shoot, since sunset, we can't even shoot no more anyway. But I mean, shoot, we're straight.
Sunset? You tripping, gang? It ain't even sit.
It ain't here. Y'all see that bit anywhere? Like, shit, that bit behind my house.
Oh, it's over there, gang. No cap, cause that would. Oh, he's over there.
Shit. I don't know.
That bitch song.
I wasn't the smartest in school, but I wasn't a dummy. But that was a dumbass estimate. No lie. Man, move, bro.
On God, nigga. Hey, y'all see that slow ass retard? That what RT stand for.
Might be the shoes.
Yeah, it might be the shoe though. Hold on.
But damn, bro, that shit like gave you an extra 4 inches.
No, that shit ain't do nothing, fam. That shit ain't do nothing. It all up in your grill. It all up in it.
He'll pipe your head when you land,
What are they?
Oh God, no, you was speed. This ain't got no speed for you at all. Shit, ain't gonna stand in court.
They gonna see the video.
Oh my God.
I'm sliding just like that.
Oh God, shit. I ain't slide that bitch no money. My rocks off. I'm gonna spend it anyway.
How you think that video about that bitch? How they fuck?
Damn, boy.
Finna go wet.
You got like in front, you cut your cuts.
You cut the cuts off them bitches.
Got a whole bunch of shit. Only thing I can get in that bit.
What Kobe?
Some real shit.
Tell Kobe. Oh shit. Tell Kobe I got something for him.
That's what they used to do back in the day again.
He give me the hit. He give me a hit, I bust his ass.
Hell no, don't do that. Don't do it to yourself.
Kobe said, I bust his ass.
I wouldn't even rate this bit right here. This bit got sleep all around it.
Nah, he bought a can though. He got that.
Man, hell no. And he said he got that bit.
Oh, he got hydro. Oh, no, he ain't gapping that bitch. Never say that bitch. Yeah. He ain't gapping that bitch. God, for the brick wall. Shit.
Look at that kid. I went to that bitch. I ain't moving.
Oh, that's it. Just do 2,500. God. What's called that left bit then? That Austin.
What?
What Austin at, bro? Oh, he went to the store. That nigga done pulled the fuck out, man. I thought Austin pulled out, man.
I forgot you on there.
Oh, yeah, my phone, man.
Go ahead.
Yeah, bro. You know, I'm gonna complain about it.
You gotta put it down.
Play out this bitch, man. What the hell, bro? And we got a whole bunch of oh shit, motherfucker. I ain't go out. Whole bunch of geek shit on God, nigga. On my life.
Give me 5, then y'all can have it.
On my life, fam. Stop playing, man.
5, then y'all can
Whole bunch of geek shit out this bitch, nigga. Don't judge the book by a cover. Oh, but it's hard, man. He got the mash in that bitch.
Oh, I thought that was a nigga.
Yeah, he got the green lights on that bitch, too.
nigga scared. He lick on his shit. You walk up in the car, take a picture.
Nigga motherfucker sending that bitch.
Yeah, yo,
Ain't nobody even in that bitch, nigga. He got his shit lowered. It's a little ass tire. It's like his cat got hydraulics on it. Oh, it's a big white cat. We got Danny out there, bitch. Yeah, I'm about to get your shit on. Plenty of way to get a bed. Don't go in there and get no glizzy, man. Go in there and get no Frank. On God, they do. They quick trip. I work here, nigga. My way.
Kickstart that bitch.
I got down. Oh, got down, started dancing out that bitch.
Why is it shaking down there?
Oh God! It's over. They waiting on nothing to come back to make it. Oh God! They waiting on nothing to come back to make it. Intersection. But you going fed, boy?
You itching to go fed. This nigga who gonna cut up right here.
I remember him.
Yeah. You say you know me?
I remember you had a grease cat. God.
You do, man. Yeah, that bitch.
Tyler go crazy, man. I know you going crazy out this bitch.
Yeah, I've been seeing you, man. You've been in the city with it lately. I've been seeing you.
But the part of this shit right now, with the green eye, that shit is hard, gang. I'm gonna give it to him.
What?
Yeah, okay, gang.
Why does it look like that's a beat, bro.
Them niggas out that bitch post any time. They think they slick. But
Can I have one?
dang, I gotta get a 15. It bitch 5. Fuck. What the fuck? Huh? Enjoying shit. It bit too far. I gotta get a 15, fam. My shit ain't look. Now I got a 14. On God it is. Oh yeah, that bit trim. I need it. That bit trim. Little hat ass, little jeans ass, little pants ass. Little pocket ass.
Huh?
Little pocket ass.
My pocket little.
My
pocket is small. Forget what else.
What's up, man?
I got that car fully full. It been fully full. Hey, what the fuck y'all, man? I started running.
Me too.
Why the hell y'all running?
Not riding me.
Bitch, I started this shit.
Nah.
I'm trying to get happy about that bitch.
I'm making it slide.
I'm trying to get happy.
After all this.
This shit finna be over for me.
Why you say that?
Cause I'm gonna leave.
You might gotta go to work.
Yeah, bro. I mean, yeah, but at the same time, we doing way more fun shit. Finna it off, breaking the law. That's all we had to do.
Let's break it then. Let's break it then.
I spent my shit on that damn Shrimp Drive.
Spin that bit and leave out. Nah, don't do that shit. Oh, we wonder why we're gonna be in your ass. And GFP. That bitch going to jail.